Hello, this is Gupta-Sunderji with a Merge Management Moment. In my last video in this series on specific tips to create motivated employees, I outlined the importance and value of listening intently. Today's tip also relates to communication, but this time it's about how you share information. So strategy number 12 is to facilitate lively and informative staff meetings. Now, most employees greatly appreciate being kept in the information loop. They want to know what's going on, whether it's the company as a whole, your department, or perhaps most importantly, how decisions and changes affect them. When employees feel like they're informed, they're engaged. And engaged employees are motivated employees. One of the easiest, most efficient ways to keep employees in the information loop is to facilitate regular staff meetings. But they need to be lively and informative. Now, you've likely attended the meeting from hell. You know the one where objectives are undefined, the meeting crawls on for hours, personalities clash, disagreements take over, and progress grinds to a halt. In short, nothing gets accomplished. So make sure that your meetings aren't the meetings from hell. If meetings are handled correctly, they can be very powerful and effective ways to not only build morale, but also elevate communication, establish goals, recognize achievements. Well-run meetings lead to motivated employees. But the key, of course, is that they need to be lively and informative. So here quickly are 3 ideas to make sure that your meeting is lively and informative. 1. Rotate the chairing and minute-taking responsibilities. 2. Make sure everyone at the meeting gets to speak at least once, perhaps by using a roundtable format. And 3. Use meetings as an opportunity to get to know your employees. Now, for much more specific information on making meetings useful and productive, I have a short article at my website that you can access at no charge. You'll find the link in the description accompanying this video. Or just go to my website and access the article archives under Tools. Look for the article titled Effective Meetings. It should be cataloged in the Productivity Tools section. This is Gupta-Sunderji with a Merge Management Moment.